Hello YouTube. So I'm about to making this video on if you get one of those LEDs lights for your garage or shop or something, and they didn't come with the connectors, you see. So what they did, they sent me they ship it with the wrong connector. You see, it's male and male, and it's bigger than the hole. It cannot fit in. So what do we do? I don't know if you guys can see the socket. There's two male in there. Let me see if you can zoom it right. So it's kind of two male socket. I'll turn off the zoom because it's disturbing. So we cannot use what chip with it, right? So for us to use this light, we we have to order another just the connectors, or we do something else. That's why we are going to create ourselves a DIY socket for it, okay? So what we'll be using, maybe any hardware store. For example, I got this in Japan, right? This is the socket we'll be using. I don't know if you guys can see that. So it's kind of like those kind of stuffs you use to uh, put cable and press it down to hold the cable in place, so that you can use this head to socket it. But we'll be using it the opposite way, okay? Then we'll use this plastic. This is just like a rubber plastic to cover it to protect it from getting short circuit. Okay, so I already opened it. We got some few here that is already opened. Okay, by the way, I think I'll put the numbers in the description so that you can get these. I don't know if the number is same everywhere. You guys can see. And this. So let's see what we can do. Then you want to get yourself a wire, right? A small wire. Let's strip it out. So you see what I did? Then we just roll it around. I want to get one of these. You bend this and then put it back there. Hook it up. Then wiggle the plastic on it. Electronic tape. That's all. You see, we got ourselves a socket. Let's test it. Perfect. So let me show you guys. It's what I created. Let me see if I can shift the camera to where I'm testing. So I just got this, and this is the wire. This is the wire we created. You see? Good.